Welcome. I am Efrain Riveros, Dr. E.F. Rain. I am an associate professor of anesthesiology at the Medical College of Georgia. During my medical career, I have been exposed to research at different stages. Initially as a mentee, then I was able to conduct my own clinical observational studies, and ultimately I was able to conduct some clinical trials. So during my career, I have had the opportunity to mentor other researchers and clinicians to develop their career as researchers, especially in the clinical field. I even took this to a different level by applying statistical learning methods and machine learning to the analysis of the medical literature. So all this experience and background led me to launch this podcast. I have noticed that the amount of medical literature out there is overwhelming. It's very difficult to come out with the right messages out of that ocean of literature. And I think it's important to summarize and to put together statistical analysis to understand what is important, what is not important, and based on that, to make recommendations. The scientific method and statistical analysis are applicable to the different fields of medicine. So that's why you will see me discussing topics even beyond the field of anesthesiology. The way I am structuring this podcast is as a chain of topics. We are going to start with a single topic and branch out based on what we discuss in that particular episode, so that we have a central common axis throughout the podcast. It is important for me to have feedback from you, and I expect the audience to come back to me and tell me what specific subjects they want me to discuss. I will do my homework and read relevant literature and articles and come back with a summary and some statistical inference and deductions to give some recommendations. In other words, what I'm trying to do here is to make the literature and medical material more digestible and easy to understand, not only for the medical community, but even outside of the medical field. Sometimes I will be talking by myself, discussing a specific topic, but some other times I'm going to have guests. These guests are going to be the authors of the most relevant literature that we have out there, and we are going to learn from their insights, exactly what was going on in their heads when they designed the study. And these insights are going to give more strength to the arguments in favor or against certain medical topics. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me, and I hope to see you here next time. See you in the next episode.